In search of the finest strong covers for protecting your DJI Avata 2 drone, there's nowhere else to look. We will talk about the top 2 DJI Avata 2 hard cases that are available on the market in this video.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Lekufee hard case. The Lekufee hard case is the best choice for those who value their DJI Avata 2 security. Created exclusively for the Avata 2 drone, it provides a tight fit that ensures the drone and its parts are safely contained inside. With its unique EVA foam and waterproof design, the Lekufee carrying bag is ideal for the new DJI Avata 2 drone, DJI Avata 2 Fly More Combo, and other accessories. The carry case for the DJI Avata 2 drone is composed of high-strength polypropylene. Internal fills a unique foam that has been pre-cut to keep your drone and its accessories orderly. Every DJI Avata 2 accessory has a specific location. Keep your DJI Avata 2 combo safe while it's being transported. The DJI Avata 2 hard case includes an exhaust valve, 1 rubber grip, and 2 action latches. Assistance impact and anti-extrusion resistant. Protection from collisions and scratches for outdoor settings, including snow mountains, beaches, rainforests, and deserts. Perfect for storage at home or on the go. The Lekufee hard case is unique due to its user-centric design in addition to its protective abilities. Its robust handle makes carrying simple, making it a hassle-free choice for drone pilots who are constantly on the go. The case's sturdy latches guarantee that it closes tightly, protecting its contents. Its small size doesn't sacrifice storage capacity. Rather, it makes it easier to carry and fits neatly into a variety of transportation options. On number 2, we have PGYTECH hard carrying case. For protecting your DJI Avata 2 and its accessories, the PGYTECH durable carrying case is a great option. This carefully crafted case offers a sturdy and safe storage solution, customized for the demands of DJI Avata 2 aficionados. The DJI Avata 2, DJI RC Motion 3, DJI Goggles 3, and additional accessories are compatible with it. With an IP67 waterproof rating, the case can withstand temperature up to 1 meter below the surface without leaking water. It is also corrosion-proof and impact-resistant, as a pressure-balancing valve that is simple to operate safely and easily in response to temperature and altitude fluctuations. This not only offers a custom fit that improves protection, but also shields your equipment from the bumps and jostles of transport. The user experience was taken into consideration when creating this case. Drone pilots who are always on the go will find it intriguing because of its ergonomic handle, which makes carrying it easy. You can feel secure knowing that the contents are always kept safely inside the case because it is fastened with strong locks that are designed to stay shut. The case's small size makes it easy to store and transport without taking up space for your drone and its accessories. So these are some of the best cases to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.